It's time for our stretches. And if you want to kick faster, higher, and stronger, it's very important we take care of our flexibility. Come on, have a seat. Join me down like this, legs crossed and body tall. Our first stretch, we're gonna take both of our feet straight out in front of us. Try to keep your chest up and your head up high. Bring your hands up high to the sky and see, by keeping your knees down, if you can get down to those toes. Now they're gonna wanna pop up, and everyone starts with different flexibility. So when it starts to feel a little bit of a challenge, that means you're in the right spot. I don't want it to hurt, but it should be tough. So let's reach down, see how far you can go until it starts to get tough. And we're gonna put the timer up. I wanna see if you can hold it for 10 seconds. And even when it becomes a challenge, we don't give up. We have a yes, I can attitude. We try to stay right there. And another important part is to breathe. 10 seconds is gonna start right now. Breathe in your nose and out your mouth. Good work, breathe in, breathe out. All right, the time's up, but let's do one more breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Nice work. It's time for our seated stretch number 2. So first, sit like a black belt, legs crossed, body tall. Let's see what good focus looks like. Excellent. Now, take one foot, put it out, keep the other one in. We're gonna bring our hands up high. Remember from the first stretch, we keep our chest strong. We're gonna try to reach down and get our toe. When you're here, I want you to make it hard, but not painful. It should be a little tough. That means you're learning and growing. Let's do 3 big breaths while we stretch. In, out, in, out. You're doing great. Last one, try to go a little further. In and out. Nice work. All right, now bring your hands up, bang on the floor, and let's see how fast you can switch them. Ready, go. Wah! Hands up, chest up. Let's reach down. And do you remember how many breaths we're doing? Right, 3 breaths. So, body tall, in your nose, and out. Good work, in, and out. And the last one, we're gonna go a little harder, try to make ourselves extra strong. Breathe in, and breathe out. Sit like a black belt, body tall, and give me a thumbs up. Nice work. I'm already here. Come on, get down. Sit like a black belt, body strong. Nice job, team. Now, I want you to work on stretching both your legs. It's our third stretch for seating. We're gonna put them out as far as they can go. And if you wanna have mom or dad maybe help you or on your own, you can give a little extra push. Now take your hands and see how far they can go. And I want you to try to, use the ground to get there like you got Spider-Man fingers. You can crawl. And when it starts to get tough, you're in the right spot. And let's take a breath in and breathe out. Try to crawl a little further. You can do it. Breathe in, breathe out. And then one more time. Let's go a little further. Breathe in and breathe out. All right, when I say go, I want to see the perfect black belt sitting stance. 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, sir. I think you might have beat me that time. Nice work on stretch 3.